Hey everyone, in today's video we will open up the cover of Lenovo Idea Center 3 PC and we will try to add a SSD and also upgrade the RAM. First let's locate the screw at the rear side of the PC. Let's unscrew it and gently pull the cover. We can remove the cover altogether by slightly pulling it up. We can locate the hard disk, the connectors, the CPU, processor, fan, and the heatsink. And this is the RAM. This is a DDR4 RAM. It's a single chip 4GB DDR RAM that comes out of the box. Let's remove the front plate by gently pulling the 3 pegs and sliding it away. We can see the power buttons, USB ports, the antenna, and the one in the blue color is the thermal sensor. Now locate the casing screw, the hard disk casing screw, unscrew it. Unplug the SATA cable and the power cable. Gently lift off the hard disk casing. So we can take a look at the motherboard components. We have the Atheros Bluetooth wireless module, the processor, the RAM, and other circuitry. As we can see, behind the hard drive case, we have provision to add an optical drive or an SSD with some modification. So I've just added an SSD and added a screw at the top. You need a power cable like this if you want to add one more SSD. So the default power cable that comes with the board has only one port to connect one hard disk, and also you need an additional SATA cable to connect the additional hard disk. Now the power cable is plugged into both SSD as well as the hard drive, and this end needs to go to the power connector from the motherboard, and also the SATA cable needs to be plugged into both the hard disk as well as SSD. Add the screws back and connect the SATA cable and also the power cable from the motherboard to the split cable that we have just added. Make the connections tight. Now let's upgrade the RAM. Gently push the two sides so that the RAM gets ejected. Pull the RAM out. Take another DDR4 RAM, laptop RAM, like so, and push it into the slot. Push the RAM module down and ensure that the side clips are fastened. Now close the front plate and also the body cover. Let's power on the PC. You can go to the disk management We can see the new disk getting recognized. Select the GPT. The MBR is needed for older operating systems. Now we can see the unallocated space. We can create the new drive volume. It will open up a wizard. Select the maximum capacity. Click next and assign a drive letter. Click next. Optionally you can add a volume label and click finish. Now we can see that the new volume has been added to the operating system. You can also see that the new disk got recognized by BIOS. You can see the SATA 2 Kioxia drive. Hit the plus button on the keyboard to increase the boot priority. Now we can boot up with Kioxia SSD. This way we can boot up with Kioxia SSD after loading the operating system. So this concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.